Good morning, everyone. It's morning here. It is just gone 8 o'clock. I don't know, about 8:15. The kids have gone to their new school for the first day. They got into breakfast club, started at 8 o'clock. They went in there skipping. So I'm just out walking. Gary. Gary. Oh, God. Gary. He's running off to see other dogs. May not be a great idea, but we'll see. Yeah, so just walk Gary to the house and the trails. Heading to the woods. When you had one coffee, I feel like I haven't had any. Come on, Gary. Gary! Oh my God. Gary, come on. Don't be rude. Gary,
Get off.
don't be rude. Oh, yeah, he's barking up some poor fella's leg. One of these days, boy, someone might be so nice to you when you do that. Luckily, he doesn't bite, but it doesn't matter. Gary, you shouldn't be barking at people. Not nice. I don't know. Anywho, that's what we're doing. So the other terrace over there. And the sheep. Can you see the sheep? The sheep in there today. They're not always there, but yeah. We've got horses up the other end by ours behind me. So let's go, Gary. Anyway, get back to you in a bit, guys. Gary has got a thing about eating horse poop. Now, obviously, he didn't have that in Blackpool. But now we moved here, he gets it all the time. And that was fresh, so I've got to keep him off it. Just by the stream. So beautiful. But yeah, that's not beautiful, Gary, at all. Eating horse poop. Ugh. Disgusting. I wouldn't mind, but he's had his breakfast. Look at him. He's probably on the hunt for more. I don't know. So gross, I swear. Near the birdies. So lovely out here. So nice to be out in the quiet. And it's really warm again today. It was warm yesterday, it's warm again today. It's lovely. Are you thinking about going to the toilet? He's thinking about going to the toilet. I have to wait here a minute. He has to spin round about 10 times before he goes. It's one of them. You can hear that stream. You might not be able to hear it on camera, but... Anyway, catch you in a bit, guys. was lucky, guys. The fella that Gary was barking at on the way here just came round this way. And we waited for him to go past to put Gary back on the lead just in case, because I didn't want him chasing him and barking again. And he said, "Oh, has he calmed down yet?" I said, "Oh, I'm not sure, probably not." But we had a little chat. I told him that Gary's a bit funny around men for some reason or other, and he understood. He said he had his son's dog was from a bad previous home and was beaten by the owner, so he's funny too. But I said, well, luckily so far Gary's all bark and no bites, but you just never know, do you? But he turned out he was fine. He said, "Oh, how old is he?" I said, "He's 2. He said, "Oh, he's still a pup." So yeah, he turned out really nice. That made me feel a bit better, because that wasn't nice. Gary doing that on the way round. Yeah, he's gone off that way. We're just round by the horses, heading home. Oh, just found loads more dead trees down. Perfect for our den building, our shelters. I would have gone on and made one now if I had some stuff with me, but I need cordage and stuff. He's just getting his gossip in, little Gary boy. Yeah, so we're nearly home now anyway. We're just by the horse fields. You can't really see them, they're down there somewhere. It's a bird, Gary, it's fine. Oh, it's 2 black magpies, 2 for joy. Anyway, I'll show you the horses. Hold on. Here they are down there, munching away. There's actually 4 of them out there today. But yeah. See other houses in the village. All the green hills behind. We go on for miles. So lovely. Yeah, so we live that way. That's where we're going. Go back home, get another coffee. I want another coffee. And yeah, that's what we're going to do, eh, boy? I'm going to see Mummy. Go home and see Mummy. Come on. Oh, I forgot to say, there's actually some chickens around this way too. So we've got more terrace houses here. And they've got like a shared area around here where they keep chickens, which is really cool. They've got a little paddock there. And the chickens around here, Gary can hear them. He's like, "What is that noise?" You didn't notice them, did you? Every time we walked through here. Here they are, guys. Ah, they're still in a little house. I zoom in. Focus isn't working today. The chickens. But yeah, they got that whole area there. Yeah, and there's houses up there and houses down here. That's the way we're going to go home. It's a lovely neighbourhood. Hey, Gary. Oh, I see what Gary's like with the sheep. He does bark at sheep and horses sometimes. Focus, phone, focus. And we live just over the other side of here, so you do get the, we saw, I don't know, they weren't kestrels, they were bigger than kestrels the other day, but they were birds of prey. There was 2 of them flying along here the other night when we were walking home. We've seen herons, which is nice. See quite a few things, a bit of wildlife since we've been here. Morning, sheeps. Morning, sheeps. There's a bus coming out of our street down there. Bless them. So cute. But yeah, they got a lot of paddock there, and it goes on quite far down. It's a village over there, as I say. Come on. They're just chilling. Horses are over there. Down the bottom, that's by ours. No, you're not picking on the sheep, leave them alone. Gary. He's like, what are those? He's whining just now. Horses stood by the gate, waiting for breakfast. Everyone's waiting for their breakfast this morning. Gary may well bark at those. We'll see. Let's head down. The horses... Hey, Gary. The horses are talking to us, and Gary is not amused. So he may well bark on in a minute. Oh, that might be their breakfast, is it? Or are they just turning around? I'm not sure. There's a car there. But that's what sets them off even more. Here's the other part of the stream. I can't even go and pet them because Gary will just go mad. What a shame. First time I showed him horses, he was fine. Ever since we moved here, he's been a pain in the backside. Yeah, that could be their breakfast. Morning, guys. That's breakfast time, I think. So beautiful. So beautiful. Oh no, she's just parking there to take her kid to school. Oh well, fair enough. Hey babies. I can't come and stroke you because of Gary. I can't say hi because of Gary, can I? That's a shame. Shut up, Gary. You're ruining it. Can't say hi to the horses. Shush. They will hurt you, Gary. They're quite capable. Oh well. Bye, guys. See you later. Well, I can't stroke the horses, which is a shame because they're not always right at the front gate there. Every time I try, Gary just barks. So I'm not even going to risk it and upset the horses. Oh, it's school run time. All the parents and kids are walking down. And we're back. We're home. Back on the beginning of the trails. It's the main road along here. Ah, look, it wouldn't be the countryside without a tractor, would it? Tractor, guys. Let these cars go. This road is a main road through all the villages, but it's actually really quiet most of the time. But obviously it's first thing in the morning and kids are going to school and everything, so it's busy this morning. Oh, hopefully I can get across. Come on, Gabby. Yeah. Let's go home. Get a coffee. Alright, catch you later, guys.